Hey there WordPress enthusiasts, Trevor again, and today we're tackling a subject that's essential for every business owner with a WordPress site, upgrading core software plugins and themes. Let's dive into why it's vital and also how to do it right. This video is meant to highlight the most important things to focus on. It's not a step-by-step guide, but it will point you in the right direction. Let's get started. Why upgrades matter. So first of all, we have to talk about security. So regular upgrades keep your site safe from vulnerabilities, and also performance. Up-to-date software ensures optimal site performance. Then there's also compatibility. Keeping everything updated ensures that all parts of your site work together smoothly. And then we have upgrading core software. So when it comes to the importance of this, WordPress regularly releases updates to enhance security and also functionality. So it's very important. And then when talking about how to upgrade, always back up first, and then click the update notification in your WordPress dashboard. And then testing. Test the site after the upgrade to ensure that everything works as expected. Next up, upgrading plugins. So why upgrade plugins? Plugins can become security risks if not updated, so it's very important to do. Also choosing reliable plugins, so opt for well-supported plugins with regular updates. And then when it comes to the upgrading process about what it looks like, this is similar to core upgrades, so backup, update through the dashboard, and then test. Next up, upgrading themes. So first of all, we have to talk about the importance of theme upgrades. So themes affect site appearance and also functionality, so keeping them updated is crucial. Then we also have child themes. So if you've customized your theme, consider using a child theme to preserve changes during the updates. And then when it comes to upgrading steps here, again, backup, update through the dashboard, and then test. Next up, automatic versus manual updates. So automatic update. These are convenient, but may cause compatibility issues. Then we have manual updates. So these have more control, but requires regular monitoring. So when it comes to best practice, a combination of both with regular checks can be the most effective strategy. Next, common upgrade issues and solutions. So we have to talk about compatibility problems. Always check compatibility before upgrading. Then when it comes to backup failures, ensure your backups are working before making significant changes. So then we also have professional help. Don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if you encounter problems. Next, we have scheduling regular checks. So it's important to do regular monitoring. Set a schedule to regularly check for updates. Then we also have using monitoring tools. So tools like WP Updates Notifier can help you stay on top of updates. So in conclusion, upgrading your WordPress core, plugins, and themes is more than just a routine task. It's a vital part of maintaining a secure, efficient, and successful website. Do you need any help with your WordPress website? We offer monthly support services that include 24/7 speed and security monitoring, backups, upgrades, edits, and unlimited technical support. So I'll put a link below for you to see more details and sign up. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and also subscribe for more WordPress insights. Have an upgrade story or question? Share it in the comments down below. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a well-maintained website is a thriving website. Happy upgrading, and see you the next time.